Ready to supercharge your lead engagement by connecting Follow Up Boss to SendGrid? We're going to walk through a seamless integration using Zapier, automating your email marketing and improving deliverability. First, log into your Zapier account and click on Create Zap. This is where the magic begins. Next, search for Follow Up Boss as your trigger app. This is the app that starts the automation. Choose New Person as the trigger event. This means every time a new contact is added to Follow Up Boss, the Zap will activate. Connect your Follow Up Boss account to Zapier. You may need to provide your API key, which you can find in your Follow Up Boss settings. Now, it's time to set up the action. Search for and select SendGrid as your action app. This is what will happen after a new person is added to Follow Up Boss. Choose Send Email as the action event. This will automatically send an email to the new contact in Follow Up Boss. Connect your SendGrid account to Zapier again. You might need your API key from your SendGrid account settings. Customize your email template. Use the data from Follow Up Boss to personalize the to, from, subject, and body fields. This is where you can really tailor your message. Finally, test your Zap to ensure everything is working correctly. Send a test email to yourself to confirm it looks perfect. Once you're satisfied, turn your Zap on. Congratulations! You've successfully connected Follow Up Boss to SendGrid, streamlining your email marketing and boosting lead engagement.